Good morning, dear kids. Today I am taking you exercise 6.4. In that, we have problem number 6, which says find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. Now, we do not know the length of square, but we know that its area is side square. So side square is equal to 441. The area measurement is given to you. Now my dear kids, how we will get the side? For finding the side, we have to find the root of 441. Am I correct with this? Okay. So now for finding root of 441, let's go by division method. Take the pairings. 4, you will go for table of 2, 2's are 4. Subtract. On the right hand side, you will get 0. On the left hand side, as I always taught you, that on the left hand side, you have to add the numbers. Okay, now take 4, 1 together because they are in pairing. Now with your left hand side 4, you will put up one digit. With the same digit, you will multiply so that you get 41. So naturally, we will multiply with 41 into 1. So that will be 41. So you got the remainder 0. And on your left hand side, 41 you have multiplied with 1. So I will add 1. So that will be 42. Always remember on your left hand side the 42 which you have got, that should be double of your quotient. That means your answer is correct. Clear with this? So my answer here is 21. So each side is what? It is 21. Our next problem number 7, which says in a right angle triangle ABC, B is 90 degree. So I'll draw a small right angle triangle. In that I'll put B as 90 degree. A, B, C. You have AB as 6, BC as 8, and you have to find AC. Kids, do you know Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says that the hypotenuse square is equal to first side square plus second side square. Hypotenuse, that is AC, we do not know, so I'll put it AC square. For AB we have the value. For BC we have the value. Now put it 36 plus 8 8s are 64. So that will be 100. That is AC square. But if I want to find AC, what I have to do? I have to take root of 100. And root of 100, my dear kids, that is 10. So you got value of AC as 10. Can you do the B part on your own? Next, let's see problem number 8, which says a gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants. He need more for this. See, 1,000 plants he have to make, and we do not know the rows and columns. 1,000 plants he had to put it, but we do not know the rows and columns. So what we will do is, let the number of rows be x, and the columns are also same, so columns will also be x. और जब rows total number of rows and columns हम करेंगे तो that will be x into x, that is x square. And naturally you are putting your plants in rows and columns, that means your total number of plants, that is x square, is given as 1,000. Now you have to find x will be what? That will be root of 1,000. So now you have to find square root of 1,000. Let's go by division method. Let's start. We'll take the pairing 10. For 10 we will take 3 3s are 9. On the left hand side you will add, and on the right hand side as we perform our subtraction, similarly you have to do. Take the zeros down. Now with 6, which number you will put so that you multiply with the same number and you get the answer as 100 or less than that? Can I take 2? No. Can I take 1? if I take 2, that will be far more than your 100. So I have to go for 1. So I'll take 61 into 1, that will be 61. Getting my point clear? And here if I have multiplied with 1, I have to add 1, that will be 62. Yes? Now you can see that there is a remainder here. Getting my point? So 39 is the remainder. Now that means 1000 is not the perfect square. And hence it is given find the minimum number of plants which he needs more for this, for the plantation, so that it should all come in square. So how many plants more he will need? So have you remember in my last video, in my last session, I have taught you the minimum number to be added to the number which is not the perfect square. So how you will add the number? First you will take ये जो quotient आया है 31, इसका another number is what? 32, and you will take square of 32. Are you getting my point? Yes, you have to take square of 32 and then subtract your 1000 from it. Clear? So that will be something like this. 1024, and now you have to subtract 1000 from it. Getting 1000 from it, and so what is remaining is 24. That means extra 24 plants you have to make it, you have to put it so that your complete columns and rows will have equal number of plants, so that it will be a perfect square. If the rows and columns have equal number of plants, that means it should have a perfect square number. But 1000 is not coming a perfect square. In that case कितने ज़्यादा plants लगेंगे, उसके लिए हमने क्या किया? तो आपने डिविजन मेथड से पहले 1000 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड किया, उसमें आपका 31 आंसर आया, बिकॉज यू हैव अ रिमाइंडर, दैट मीन्स 1000 इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो जो आपका 31 क्वोशिएंट आया है उसका नेक्स्ट नंबर आपको लेना है, दैट इज 32, एंड दैट स्क्वायर यू हैव टू मेक इट. 32 का स्क्वायर इज 1024, मतलब 1000 को आपको 1024 बनाने के लिए आपको कितने एक्स्ट्रा प्लांट्स करने पड़ेंगे? 24 एक्स्ट्रा प्लांट्स you have to put in so that the number becomes a perfect square. Getting my point clear? I'll take up your 9th, which says there are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows and number of columns are same. How many children would be left out of this arrangement? See, try to understand the previous question and this question. In your previous question, it was given how many plants should be added, and now it is given how many children are left. So in that case, what we will do? First we will take, because you have rows and number of columns same, so x into x will be equal to 500, total number of children. So that will be x square is equal to 500. For finding x, you have to take root of 500. Now by division method, I will find the root of 500. For that, I'll make the pairing. I'll go with a table of 2 because I want less than 5 or 5. So it will better be to go for 2. Now it will be 1 here. I'll take both the zeros down. 4 के साथ मैं ऐसा कौन सा number लगाऊं that I will get 100 or less than that. So I'll prefer to go for 2 because when I go for 2, I'll get 84. So I'll put 84 here. That means I have multiplied with 2. If I have multiplied with 2, so 48 को मैं 2 से ऐड भी कर दूंगी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. और जैसे मैंने कहा था, ये क्वोशिएंट और ये जो आता है आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एडिशन, दैट शुड बी एग्जैक्टली डबल. एंड हियर यू विल नोटिस दैट हियर you are left with 16. Now try to understand the question, what it is given. How many children would be left out? So what you will write? 16 students are left out to be arranged. In an arrangement, there is no space for 16 students. So you will write 16 students are left out. जब हम लोग एडिशन की बात करते हैं तब हम लोग ऊपर का जो क्वोशिएंट आया है उसका नेक्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर लेकर हम लोग डिफरेंस फाइंड करते हैं. लेकिन जब हमारी सब्ट्रैक्शन या लेफ्ट आउट की बात होती है तो हम डायरेक्टली जो रिमाइंडर आता है वो लिख लेते हैं. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर, किड्स?